Today I'm back in the kitchen with a couple of my boys. I've been working with them. Two of them are going to be going off to college next year, and I really have been focused on helping them master some recipes that are quick, easy, affordable, and made with whole foods. Today we're going to take on orange chicken. It's one of their favorites, and I'd rather they make it at the dorms there instead of ordering takeout. Takeout can be really pricey. The protein in each of these servings is only 33 cents a serving. Anyway, let's get started. I'll show you how we did it. You will need the zest of 2 oranges, and then I'm gonna juice these 2 oranges, a tablespoon of brown sugar, some red pepper flakes to taste, a tablespoon of rice wine vinegar, or just use white vinegar if that's all you have, a tablespoon of soy sauce. I have some water and a teaspoon of cornstarch. We'll see how much of that we use. I have some ginger and garlic cloves to taste. I have the whites of 6 scallions, and then I reserve the tops for garnish along with some parsley. In my frying pan, I have a tablespoon of oil. I added the garlic, the ginger, the white part of the scallions, and the red pepper flakes. I'm going to let this cook for about a minute or so. I added the orange juice, soy sauce, brown sugar, vinegar. I want to give this a big stir. I'm adding the orange zest, and then just a little of the cornstarch slurry. I can always add more. We'll see how much we need to thicken this up. This sauce looks great. I'm just gonna fry up the chicken, and then when the chicken is fried golden brown, I'm gonna drain it off the oil and add it to the sauce. I have 1 egg and about a tablespoon of cornstarch. I wanna get this all mixed together really well. In addition, I have 2 chicken thighs that I took the bones out, I took the skin off, and I cut it into small pieces. As soon as I get this mixed together, I'm going to combine the chicken to the egg cornstarch mixture. Meanwhile, in a saucepan, I heated up some oil to 365 degrees, and I added the coated chicken just 1 piece at a time so it wouldn't stick all together. I'm just going to fry this till it's golden brown, and then we'll fish them out. I went ahead and combined the chicken with the sauce, and now we're just going to get it plated up. That's what the orange chicken is going to look like. We did 2 portions with this recipe. So the idea is each of the boys, they'll be able to have their dinner, and then they can pack the other portion for lunch the next day. Make it easy peasy. And we just served it over rice. So that, my friends, is orange chicken college style cooking. Anyway, until the next video, I'll talk to you guys later. If you want to see more of these type of budget cooking videos, let me know, and I'll film them when I'm working with the boys in the kitchen. All right, talk to you guys later.